We have a query from the South also, yung tinatanong niya, ano ba yung finder's keeper's rule? Pag ako ba ay nakapulot ng relo sa daan at nakita ko na walang tao sa paligid ko o walang taong binalikan yung relo, akin na ba yun? Yan yung finder's keepers. Under Article 719 of the new Civil Code, ito yung governing law on finders keepers. Ang basic nito, merong mga steps na dapat mong gawin pag ikaw ay nakahanap ng mahalagang bagay. At meron ding period of time na kailangan i-observe ng isang taong nakahanap ng bagay. So, under 719, whoever finds a movable. So, only movables. Hindi ka pwedeng makahanap ng lupa at sabihin mong sa'yo yan. So, only movables which is not treasure must return it to the previous owner. Yun ang basic rule, no? Kahit sa Biblia, sinasabi niya yan, pag hindi sa'yo, huwag mong angkinin. If the latter is unknown, no? Pag hindi kilala ang may-ari, the finder shall deposit the item with the mayor of the city or municipality where the finding has taken place. You take note na hindi mo sa police ibibigay. You should bring it to the city or municipal mayor. And doon sa city or municipal mayor's office, the mayor should make a public announcement for 2 consecutive weeks in a way he deems best. So, pwede siyang maglagay sa bulletin board ng lost and found, pwede siyang magsabi sa radyo, sa TV, pwede siyang mag-announce sa newspaper about the lost item. And this is for 2 consecutive weeks. At kung yung movable, pwedeng hindi masira, not subject to deterioration, or without any expense madidiminish ang value, pwedeng ibenta after 8 days ng publication. So, ang timeline dito, 2 weeks muna, and then kung may publication, after the 2-week period, pwede mo nang i-sell, pwede mo nang ibenta through the mayor by public auction. Ang owner naman, pag 6 months from the publication, nag-lapse at hindi nag-appear ang owner, ito ay maibibigay sa finder. And of course, yung finder magbabayad ng expenses of publication, expenses ng notices, etc. So, yung finder's keeper's rule, hindi po automatic. Ang timetable mo dyan 6 months. Actually, 6 months bago mo maklaim na sa iyo yung item. And meron tayong Supreme Court decision dito, Fernando Pante versus People of the Philippines, na pag ikaw ay nakapulot or nakahanap ng isang mahalagang bagay at hindi mo sinunod yung 719 of the Civil Code, you can be subject to the crime of theft. Sabi ng Supreme Court, we are trying to instill in the minds of our people na hindi pwedeng angkinin ang hindi sa atin.